All right, today I have a Ford Expedition and I'm going to show you how to access the rear seats from the back door. Okay, so there's a middle row right here and you need to access the rear seats. How are you going to get back there? All right, well, I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, I'm going to show you to get back there. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm in the rear of the vehicle, right? And I need to get to the back seat. Now, there's a way you can do it. The most common wrong way to do it is people come down here and they go ahead and they pull this lever. I'm gonna show you what this lever does right here. It folds the seat back. Yes, theoretically, you could get back there by doing it right here, but that's not the proper way. So I'm gonna lift this back up. Lift that up. All right, so I lifted that up, and now I'm gonna show you the proper way of doing it. So I'm gonna come up here and you see this right here. This button right here is how you lay down the seat. Or you press it and it actually allows you, not lay down the seat, but allows you to pull the front seat or the middle seat forward. That way people can access the back that way, like this. You see that? They can get up here and go back there. And when you're done, all you have to do is put this back into place. Voila, just like that. All right, I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.